Imagine you are driving down the road, and suddenly your engine starts sputtering like it is gasping for air. Then you look down and see a warning light telling you there is water in your fuel. If you plug in your scanner and see a code P2264, your engine is essentially warning you that the fuel composition circuit is sending out some very wrong signals. This diagnostic trouble code is what we call a generic powertrain code. So whether you are driving a Land Rover, a Ford, or a modern Dodge Ram, the core problem is the same. Your engine computer, or the PCM, uses this sensor to keep a very close eye on the fuel passing through your lines. It is not just looking for water, it is also monitoring for ethanol levels and other contaminants that could ruin your day. The sensor even measures the fuel temperature and converts all that data into a voltage signal that the computer uses to adjust your engine timing for the best performance and fuel economy. When that signal goes haywire, your car might stall, misfire, or just flat-out refuse to start. Ignoring this can lead to some seriously expensive damage to your fuel system and internal engine parts, so you really want to jump on this quickly. The first thing you should do is check your maintenance records. When was the last time you swapped out that fuel filter? A dirty or worn-out filter is the #1 suspect here. Here is a pro tip you can try at home. Take a sample of your fuel and put it into a clean glass jar. Let it sit for a few minutes and watch. Since water is heavier than fuel, it will settle right at the bottom, making it easy to see if you have been getting bad juice from the gas station. If the fuel looks clean, you need to slide under there and look at the wiring. The sensor is usually sitting right on top of the fuel tank, so the wires are exposed to all kinds of road grime and moisture. Look for any bare wires or corroded pins in the connector. If you have access to an oscilloscope, you can see the signal pulses yourself. A healthy sensor usually hums along between 50 and 150 Hz, where the higher frequency means more contamination. If you are seeing 5 volts of reference power coming from the PCM, but 0 signal coming back, that sensor has likely kicked the bucket and needs to be replaced.